Do you know about interactivity? Who is the best parrot? It's the Caique Parrot. The Caique Parrot wears a white cotton padded jacket. It's wrapped in yellow long johns. And it wears a green vest. It's extremely cute. The Caique Parrot has extremely bright colors. Its interactivity is absolutely fantastic. It's extremely affectionate and clingy. At home, it can eat with you. It sleeps with you. It's like a little chick that chats with you. That's exactly what our Caique Parrot is like. Moreover, it usually, at home, whether there's something to do or not, will march or goose step for you. Then it acts like an electronic toy, hopping around to show off for you. It makes you happy. Can you resist this? So, with such a Caique Parrot, would you like it?